Hey guys, it's Rhonda. Welcome to my video. I decided to jump on here right quick. It's just something random. I'm in my car and I've been thinking about it all week and all day because I'm doing research again. I've been doing it. I haven't just started, but I've been doing it all year, basically, and all last year on a breast lift / breast augmentation. And I know I've disappointed you guys with my BBL update and journey. I know I suck at this YouTube stuff, but I am prominent on it because I know I get on YouTube myself to do research and want to know and find out as much as I can about a certain doctor, a certain facility, the do's and don'ts, what happens during and all that good stuff. So with me getting on YouTube to look up information about Dr. Ghurani and his breast lift, breast augmentation, I noticed I can't find any videos on that at all when it comes to him, and he's a beast at boobs. Just so you guys know, he really is. Of course, I've been doing this research for a long time, so it's not like I'm just in a rush to get it and I'm just picking a doctor. He did do my BBL, and he did do it at Jolie plastic surgery, and everything went great. So I did decide to go again with him for my breast lift, breast augmentation, and that is in a little less in 40 something days. So I'm a little excited about it, but as I'm continuing to do my research, I see a lot of breast lift, breast augmentations by every other doctor but Dr. Ghurani, and I'm not fond of that at all. So within my research and stuff like that, like I've been looking to see how the procedure goes, what's done during the procedure, the aftercare, you know, this, that, and the third, and I'm trying to prepare myself so I don't go overboard and get a lot of unnecessary things like I did when I got my BBL. So, and I think I'm doing pretty good at the moment. I will show you guys the things that I am getting from Amazon to prepare for this surgery, the vitamins and stuff that I'm going to start taking here in about a week or so to prepare myself for surgery, and things like that. But my main reason for this video is for research purposes, because there isn't a full-length video about Dr. Ghurani and his breast lift, breast augmentation. So the reason I'm getting it is because I'm a mother of 5, yes, 5 kids. My youngest is 5 going on 6 this year, and throughout them all, like anything that I've gotten done to my body was because of me, my reasons only, not for my husband, not for anybody else. Although some of it is for my husband, not for because he wanted done, because he is totally against it, but more so because I want it done. Because when we met, I was at like 135, no matter, you know, and then throughout me having all my kids, I went back to 135. But for some reason, this last child of ours got me ridiculously to a person I didn't know who I was. I wasn't comfortable with it. I didn't know who I was, and it just was not setting for me. So that was the reason why I got the BBL. The reason why I'm getting my boobs done is because within me having the 5 kids, of course, you know, we produce milk, and I mean, those things blow up like jugs. They're like a whole gallon of jug milk, and then now they're sagging. So I'm doing this for me. I want to be able to be like I was, you know, be able to wear certain things that I'm not able to wear now because my boobs are like puppy dog ears. They're sagging to my knees. And sorry about the background if you guys hear it. It is pouring down raining, and I'm going to pick my daughter up from work. So I just wanted to get on here real quick and make this video for you guys to let you know that I do plan on documenting this surgery. I really do plan on documenting this surgery, and mainly because I got on here to research Dr. Ghurani and breast lift, and I couldn't find anything with him other than Jolie putting up a, you know, their little 2-3 minute videos where they're interviewing a person who's going to get, you know, the procedure done by him. But other than somebody actually coming up, making a video on YouTube about their experiences with the Dr. Ghurani and breast augmentation, no, I couldn't find anything. So I do want to be the first to do that, just in case if there's anybody else who is looking into Dr. Ghurani and getting that procedure done. Now, I don't know if many of you know, Dr. Ghurani was working out of Jolie Plastic Surgery. That's where I first found out about him. But he has now moved into his own private surgery center called Prestige Surgery Center. I believe it's Prestige Surgery. It might be Prestige Aesthetic Surgery. I will get the name for you for sure. So that's where I will be getting my procedure done. I can give you all, not right now because this is just like a quick video, but I can give you guys pricing on what I paid due to the fact that I was able to book him through Jolie first and not through his own clinic. Like I said, I can document to the days up to, the things that I'm taking for it, the things that I'm ordering from Amazon for it, and after. I can take you guys along with me when I get to Miami for pre-op, which I'm hoping everything goes smooth, because right now Spirit is on a shutdown, and for some reason we're flying through Spirit next month, so and the day of my pre-op, so I'm hoping everything goes smooth. I'm praying, fingers crossed, all manifesting all of that everything goes smooth. I'm leaving at like 6 in the morning that morning, and I'll get there at like 8:40. So, you know, you can be to pre-op between 9 and 12, I believe it is, if it's still the same with his practice. But like I said, I can document all that if that's what you guys are interested in. I know I sucked at the BBL, which I promised to make an update. I am now 1 year and a year and 2 months post-op. I can update you guys on that. I know I was slack on it, and I apologize for it. I'm not really a YouTuber, although, you know, you be trying to get your foot wet into it and it just don't go your way, and then you just slack off. Yeah, that was me. I apologize for that. And it's not that I hadn't intend on doing an update for you guys. I really want to, and I will. Just shit happens. Life happens. Life happened, and a lot of stuff caused me to not do. But if you guys are interested in an update on my BBL, show pictures before and after, I don't mind doing that. Just let me know and I will. But this one is just to let you guys know that I will be doing a breast augmentation with Dr. Ghurani on September 27th. If they don't cancel me, because I'm in this surgery community on Facebook. Although I talked to Cindy Lopez, and she's been very, very great with responding back at a reasonable time with any questions that I've had. But the girls in the surgery community saying that he's going to be out, and of course, you know, that just gets some people nerves up, but I just go straight to the source. She said he is supposed to be out sometime for September, but he'll be back by the time my date has arrived. So I'm praying that that is so. If so, and everything goes to plan, my surgery date is September 27th. I'm so ready. I'm so excited. So yeah, that's what this video is. If it's something that you guys are interested in, let me know, and I promise to God, pinky promise, that I will keep you updated, and I will video me leaving, me getting there, pre-op, post-op, me getting ready to go into surgery if I can get that far. If they'll video, you know, within a little bit of the process, in that, then I'll do that as well. But anyway, I'll try to be very informative about this video as possible, only because there isn't anything out there, and I'm like me, I research the freak out of my doctors, and you know, I try to find out if there's, you know, any complications as far as this procedure he has done, any botched jobs, any deaths, anything, if anything's went wrong. But you know, the ones that they put up on the Jolie Instagram, like his stitch game is great, his boobs are great, and I was very comfortable with him, with my BBL, with talking to him before the surgery. He walked me down to surgery, so I'm very comfortable with him. And when you find that one person that you feel like you're comfortable with, then you kind of want to stick with. Although my first choices for a boob job was Dr. Corral and Dr. Freeman at CG Cosmetics. They were my first two choices because I thought their boobs were amazing. But then further along with the research that I've done, I found a botch page with the two guys that I was obsessed about. And although you can't really tell, like the things that I saw, it kind of looked like it was something that came from when a person was smoking, and it kills, like, you know, when you smoke, your blood vessels are smaller, like you don't have, the blood flow isn't as great as when you don't smoke. So it causes I'm not sure if it's necrosis. I think it's necrosis, where it looks like you're been eating or deteriorating from the inside out. And that's mostly what I saw, but I can't say for sure if it was the patient or if it was a doctor. You know, patients do things, irrational things, crazy things, just so they can, you know, do surgery. Not me. I do shit by the book because I have 5 kids and I want to get back to them. So if they tell me not to do something, then I'm on it. I'm not doing it. But you have a lot of people out there that try to skip around certain things just so they can get in, and that's not good. That's not okay. And then when something happens, they're ready to blame the doctor. So, but within me finding that, I wasn't sure if it was the patient or something that the doctor did, but it was enough for me to change my mind and look elsewhere. So I just, you know, I was just like, well, let me check out my doctor. I know he's known for BBLs, but he's a plastic surgeon. I know that can't be the only thing that he does. So I was looking into his breast lifts and his breast augmentations and his stitch game, and it is phenomenal. So I'm taking my chances on him, and I do know for sure, like whenever he comes in the room, he talks to you, he doesn't rush you, he asks you what you want, this, that, and the third. So I'm pretty much comfortable with him. I got faith in him. I'm praying for him as well as, you know, whatever through my surgery. So I'm fairly comfortable with the decision that I made. So I want to document everything about my experience with this procedure with him, because like I said, there isn't anything out there, and it needs to be. So if this is something, like I said, you're interested in, just let me know at the bottom of this video in the comments, and I promise you, I pinky promise you, I will stay up to date with this procedure with me and him and my journey. And if you still want the update and, you know, before, afters, and what I went through as far as my BBL and how I'm coming along now, let me know, and I will also make a video on that as well. So until next time, please like, subscribe, push the bell button, so if you do want to follow along on this journey, that way you can get updates, because I do plan on being very, 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 very hands-on with this one. So again, this is just a quick video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.